only paying market value. It's what happens to the money. Now, it's a period of 9 years, nearly 10 years, right? Obviously, Greg's not going to have that in his bank account. Long gone, right? Let's just say that you do it, a month before, you're going to go bankrupt. And this is what usually happens in most cases, right? The bankruptcy trustee will look at your trust statement, your bank statements, and say, well, you spent money here, you spent money there, what was that for? And you've got to explain what it was. In this particular situation, had never paid market value, okay, and to prove these other 2 points, then I don't think Greg would have any problems in saying, well, the money spent, we went on holiday, we renovated the house, I bought a new car, whatever. Right? It's just expenses, everyday expenses